Ano kaya ang meron? Bakit nanalo si Emma Tiglao from the Philippines sa Miss Grand International 2026? By the way, congratulations kay Emma for bagging the second crown para sa Miss Grand International 2026. Bali, ang first runner-up niya ay Thailand, yung second runner-up ay si Spain, third runner-up naman si Ghana, at ang fourth runner-up ay si Venezuela. Ano nga ba ang meron? So, eto na, yung 6 Bs kung bakit nanalo si Emma Tiglao. So, eto yung beauty, body, brain, yung business, behavior, and performance. Kaya, siguro nakitaan nila ng potential na malaki ang maitutulong ni Emma sa MGI organization during her reign. Let's talk about yung winning answer ni Emma Tiglao. The question is, scammers are an online threat, a form of warfare often tied to human trafficking that has global consequences. What penalties do you think could help dismantle these operations? So, eto yung answer niya. As someone who reports this kind of stories, I really want to use the power of balance. Us people to be educated and aware. For us not to be scammed, and the help of the government to enhance their justice system for the scammers to be behind bars or to be imprisoned, to be accountable. Ayan, so managot sila. Because one day, I hope that we will live in a peaceful world where no one should deceive just to survive. Ayan, so napaka-deep, napaka-meaningful, tsaka two sides of the story yung atake ni Emma dito. Let's analyze the final answers of top 5 finalists sa MGI 2026. So, let's begin with Ghana. Okay yung first part ng answer niya, which is technological awareness and education. However, nung in-insert na niya yung advocacy niya, medyo tumagilid na yung sagot niya. Hindi na siya connected. And then kay Venezuela, she reiterated the importance of returning the money back na na-scam doon sa victims. However, in reality, mahirap talaga siyang i-recover lalo na kapag online, no? And then kay Spain naman, she highlighted the importance of providing counseling or mental health counseling for the victims of scams kasi nakakatrauma talaga lalo na kapag napakalaking perang nawala, di ba? And then kay Thailand, yung interesting point niya is super heavy punishment, no, such as death penalty for those nag-i-scam. Kasi grabe talaga, no, para magkaroon talaga tayo ng kamao na batas. And then to return the money to the victims. So, pagdating naman sa sagot ni Emma, multi